Hello and welcome back to the Vac Mat. Today we're going to be reviewing something a little bit different, but still in the region of floor care. We're going to be reviewing the Craft Powerglide floor cleaner and buffer. This machine is meant to clean floors and leave them with a streak-free shine and dry within minutes. Sounds very good. So let's put this to the test and see if it really is better than that traditional mop and bucket. Because let's face it, anything's got to be. We'll be testing the Craft Powerglide up against edges to see if it does clean the skirting boards like Craft claim. We'll be testing it on a high gloss tile, see if it leaves its streak-free shine. We'll also be testing it on the Carndean floor in the kitchen, see if it can remove some common stains, muddy footprints and kitchen messes that just happen. So without any further ado, let's get testing. The Craft Powerglide is £199 and comes in three colours: white, grey or black. It's one of the most highly rated floor cleaners on the market. So let's see what all the fuss is about and test out the Craft Powerglide cordless hard floor cleaner. The Craft Powerglide is easy to set up and fill up. All you need to do is add some of your favourite solution to some warm water and fill it in. There's nothing more to do. No waiting for it to heat up or anything, and then just pour it in. When you start up the machine, the two spinning pads and solution get to work. You can dispense the solution at your own rate and it comes out of the front. The solution gets to work immediately, breaking down the dirt, then the pads scrub it away and microfibers trap it to make sure it's not re-put back onto your floor. It handled the muddy footprints really well. It did spit around a few large chunks of mold, but you'd usually vacuum these up before cleaning. We gave this a really extreme example, but it coated really well, and for day-to-day usage it will be excellent for that floor quick and deep clean, leaving the floor shiny, streak-free and the room smelling fresh and nice. Just look at that result. And the aftermath of all this cleaning, well, them dirty pads were easy to just take off and throw straight into the washing machine. No need for changing or bleaching, easy as, and with the spare set you could get back to cleaning right away. Unfortunately, while filming I knocked over my cup of tea. However, this gave us a great excuse to test out the Craft on its spillage. The tea had been sitting there for half an hour and it began to stain into the floor, but the Craft removed it and it was not sticky and left no residue behind, leaving the floor clean and shiny. It gets under furniture with ease, so if you've got sofas or want to maybe use it to get under the dining table, this is really easy. And the machine glides, as the name suggests. With its swivel neck you can get anywhere, and it is a lot easier to use than a mop and less back breaking than a mop too. Gone are the days of being on your hands and knees trying to buff up high gloss tiles. With the Craft Powerglide, we just added a small amount of water and it was able to buff up the tiles and make them look like new again. There was not a single streak left behind, while it was able to remove any of the grime. It really is a fabulous machine and worth every penny if you have high gloss tiles. As you can see, cleaning up against the edge with the Craft Powerglide is easy. It even cleaned the bottom part of the skirting board, where it can get dirty from dirt being kicked up and knocked against it. It cleaned all the floor, leaving it lovely and clean, and even got right into the corners where dirt usually accumulates. All in all, we are unbelievably impressed with the Craft Powerglide. It left a streak-free finish across all our floors. It cleaned up the tea stains, the mud that had been walked in, and it even cleaned up right against the baseboards. It made mopping fun for once. It's unbelievably easy to manoeuvre around and under things, and it has about a 35-minute battery life. And when the machine is that wide and that easy to use, you really get through the mopping within minutes. We love the machine and highly recommend it. I'm going to attach a link in the description if you'd like to buy this machine. It definitely is worth every penny and it has a lot of 5-star reviews. Thanks for watching this machine. If you've bought the Craft Powerglide and like it, don't forget to leave a comment. If you know someone who'd like one of these, don't forget to share it. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.